In a setback for Vodafone Idea, Bharti Airtel and Tata Teleservices, the Supreme Court has rejected their petitions for rectification of the adjusted gross revenue demands raised by the Department of Telecommunications, with the top court reiterating its last year's order which barred any recalculation of AGR dues. Telecom companies will not get a chance to reduce their AGR payout or get any rebate based on the clerical and arithmetic errors they had claimed in DOT's calculation. The order implies that telecom companies will have to pay AGR dues as per DOT's calculation and not as per their own self-assessment. Telecom companies are slated to pay Rs 22,500 crores as regulatory payments in the next 6 to 9 months. They have a legal option to contest the top court order by filing a review petition, but review petitions usually have a rare chance of succeeding. Vodafone Idea will have to pay a total of Rs 58,400 crores as AGR dues, out of which Rs 7,854 crores have already been paid. Bharti Airtel has paid Rs 18,000 crores out of its total AGR liability of Rs 43,980 crores, while Tata Teleservices has paid Rs 4,197 crores out of its total AGR liability of Rs 16,789 crores. The three-judge bench of Justice L. N. Rao, Justice S. Abdul Nazir and Justice M. R. Shah will continue hearing in the AGR case, where they will consider DOT's reply on compliance by telecom companies with the payment of installments of the pending dues. Telecom companies had maintained that rectification is different from reassessment or recalculation of AGR dues, claiming that DOT was hesitant to revise its raised demand or rectify errors unless allowed by the Apex Code. They had submitted before the top court that various payments which already had been made to DOT were not reflecting in DOT's charts and had claimed that they should not be allowed or they should not be made to pay the same amount twice when the payment has already been made. They had also claimed that various penalties were erroneously imposed on them. However, with the court rejecting their petitions, they will have to pay the entire amount as sought by the DOT. In October 2019, the top court had upheld DOT's definition of AGR and had asked telecom companies to clear dues within 3 months. Review petitions by telecom companies were rejected in January 2020, after which they had sought a longer timeline to pay AGR dues in order to avoid bankruptcy. Subsequently, in September 2020, the Apex Court gave 10 years to telecom companies to clear pending AGR dues and asked the NCLT to decide on spectrum sale under the IBC. Court had also exempted payment on entire past dues of shared spectrum, which saved Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio from paying AGR dues worth over Rs 40,000 crores.